just a girl that loves technology. Hey guys, Random Tech here, and today I've got another quick review of this monitor from AOC. This is a great option for those that are currently working from home or students that are looking to have a multiple screen setup at home. The screen is a 21.5 inch screen, and it also comes with full high definition resolution. Now, in terms of its pixel colouring, I would have to say the quality is not the best, and therefore it's probably not a great option for gamers who prefer to work with something of a higher quality. However, if you're just using this for work or studying, then this is a great option for you. I personally use it just to edit my videos, and it works fine for me. It does come with the option for you to mount it up on the wall if you needed to. However, it also comes with a monitor stand which you can tilt it to your preferred position. Okay, and now I'm just going to show you the back. And I actually got a wrong one by accident. This one comes with a VGA connector. I would have preferred one with HDMI, but I couldn't be bothered to send it back. So this is what I have now. And now that is where our VGA connector is, and then the DVI connector. And then also this is where you plug in your power cable as well. As I mentioned, there is an option to get one with HDMI instead of VGA like I did. Now this is my VGA connector. I mean, it's 2020, who uses VGA? Apart from me, I guess. But that's VGA there. And then this is your power cable. One thing to mention about this, it's actually not long enough. Look at that length. So that is something just to be aware of when you get this. And now this is my solution, so I had to buy an adapter that converts VGA to HDMI, and this is what I use to connect it to my computer. And that's it, guys. I know this was a quick review, but I would do a separate video where I do compare the actual pixel imaging of this monitor to a different monitor, and there for you guys to see the difference. But that's it for now. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.